Hey guys, um, welcome to Animal Crossing Play Wild. Now we're gonna start new. We're gonna start as the wolf because he looks taller. I'll create a name. Well, we're gonna do something random. Teensy Mayor. Hello, here, helper. Cause I'm just doing it like Animal Crossing Mayor and Helper, but not Teensy. So yeah. Anyways, let's do it. I want my own name. I don't want a fake name.
Welcome to your new home. My name is Peck, and I'd like to show you around. Follow me.
Oh, okay. I gotta use my finger.
Here in Jamaa, everyone has their own unique style. Let's start by customizing yours. Go ahead and click on your animal picture to customize your look.
Alright, let's click on that.
You can choose and combine lots of different colors. You can change the shape and color of your eyes.
Alright.
And you can create lots of different patterns in your fur. When you are happy with your new look, click on the X button in the corner to exit.
Alright.
Everyone seems to love the new you. How do you feel about it? To show others how you're feeling, click the emote
this
button
looks cool.
and then choose your favorite emote.
Alright.
To show others how you're feeling, click the emote button and then choose your
Did I
favorite
do
emote.
mad? Oh no, they're gonna be so upset. I'm just gonna like not care.
I know just what you mean.
Oh.
Hey look! Free stuff!
Alright, let's go. Click on that.
Look at all those gems! How many did you find?
Alright.
Lucky you! You'll find more fun ways to get gems as you explore Jamaa, along with lots of places to spend them. There are games, adventures, parties, shops, and so much more. I think you're ready to explore on your own. This way, to Jamaa!
Alright, here we go. Can't wait to do it online.